Okay, so today, YouTubers, I'm going to show you how to stop a wobbly fan or a noisy fan. Probably after 2 or 3 years of use, this sort of fan in the back of your PC starts to make a wobble. It just doesn't run as smooth as it did when it was new. Half the time, you can actually fix this by getting into the bearings in the back. I'm not too sure on this model. I'm going to find out if there's a bearing in there. There usually is on a Cooler Master. So you just need to ease the sticker off the back, and if we're lucky, yes, it will reveal this small cap, and below the cap is the bearing. Basically that will just be really dry inside there. Hold on to the camera. See inside there, there's the bearing. So what I'm going to use on this is the same sort of stuff you would put on a shaver. Nice and light oil. A couple of drops of this. Pop the little cap back in its hole and then press the label down. Fine then is, that now spins nice and smooth and will absolutely be silent when it's back in your computer. Good luck, don't forget to like and subscribe.